grass right here. Gotta avoid that. True pond hockey.
It's cool when it crossovers.
Think I could be a Detroit Red Wings shovel girl? Hey? Hey? I can shovel snow in a skimpy outfit. Look at this. Eh? Homo showmanship? Actually, I went down because those girls were probably out skating.
I don't think so.
Probably bigger.
No, I don't think so.
Probably bigger skaters.
I don't think so. Seriously. You're doing a great job.
Ah!
It's dark.
Too much snow. Oh, this goes way further back.
It's really cold.
What? I'm sweating my ass off.
You can see my breath in the camera. It looks like a fire. You've already cleared so much area. You might be past our property line.
Huh?
No, you're not past our property line yet, but you're close.
That's way over there.
I'm just saying.
Well, let's hope I don't fall through, but...
You're not gonna fall through. It's freezing as fuck. Where'd you go?
That's over here.
Bean?
There's grass right here, but...
I can't even see you.
Fine. We'll just... You know... We'll just...
Seriously, come back. I can't see you. Don't die.
That goes far. They got a lot more to do. Holy shit. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Holy shit, I'm sweating.
Do something cool.
Oh, yeah, my head is warm.
Do something cool.
You mean bust my ass?
Yes.
Right. Not great. Not great. Not great. Don't post that for the Olympics.
I didn't. It was very dark.
That's not my Olympic tryout.
Are you okay?
Use that one for the Olympic tryout, though.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just tired.
Are you okay?
I'm coming for the Winter Olympics 4 years from now.
Did you lose an earbud?
No, I got both my earbuds. I'm good. I'm an old man.
You're only 29.
30.
You're 29.
I'm an old man. Looks like you got
My fingers might freeze, so just stop doing cool things. But you look cool. The fact you can be this fancy on, like, half-assed pond is really impressive.
I have no picks either.
It's hockey skates.
And I'm not in shape.
I can't feel my fingers, seriously, stop. Oh, God.